Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and adjust your music in your TikTok. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your TikTok app. Once the app is open, let's say you want to make story like in this song, right? Tap on this, use the sound, create a story. Done. Tap on this check mark and now you will see this kind of interface, right? If you tap on this, the song is where it's playing here, up here. Simply tap on it and now you will be able to this kind of interface. So for me, this is the song that I made a video with. So I will see this scissor icon right there with the song that I used. So simply go ahead, tap on that scissor icon. Now I can simply go resize it and cut it from wherever I would like according to my need and my video. So yes guys, this is how you can simply come over here, adjust your music to however you would like in your TikTok. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.